Building your own report in business allows you the freedom to pick and choose the areas that best capture the data you intend to extract. When it comes to the report builder, the management and diversity available to you as a system user will stretch far. With 23 datasets to explore from, users can report on any of the available columns pertaining to their selected datasets. So whether it's reporting on the sales order details dataset, where we can gather data on an order's item quantity and amount, or whether it be the customer dataset where users can run reporting to check in on their credit limits and much more, there's a way to grab the data necessary to make your job that much easier. Smoothly manage the use of filters that help to narrow the criteria in your own dataset. This will allow for cleaner reporting of data as the users see fit. Users can manage their filters by an add filter or add group. These options will also help to determine how the criteria is found and/or grouped together when you run your reporting. So to start, we can go and configure some filters. From here, as we can see, we can go and do customer vendor status and then choose the multiple statuses or just singular that we want. So for example, active. We can go and choose to add a group from here, add a filter, and then choose another option such as order status. So we can go and put for those that are pending approval, for example. Better yet, have access to determine the order of your reports by choosing the default sort. And based on the selected columns, you'll be able to determine that in a breeze. So for example, as we can see here, we have the default sort order box, and we can go and choose the drop down and then choose one of our options. So based off the columns that we've chosen from the left, we will go and have them listed here, so we can go and default sort them as we please. And as you can see, you can do from A to Z or Z to A with the direction. The report builder also features a grouping configuration section where it makes it simple to group results. This is different than aggregating columns, since aggregating will take the sum, average, minimum, or maximum of a column, and configure it that way. By grouping the configuration, we can also choose to hide details. Hiding details will come in handy when it's preferred to have a total summary. This will save a lot of time for users who may run with a lot of data and would otherwise go page to page to make their calculations. Save yourself the time by consolidating a report. And let's keep in mind, you can always edit the configurations and choose to unhide those results if they are necessary for your reporting. Enjoy the convenience of downloading your report for further sharing capabilities by means of our .csv export. Keep in mind that users in business may share their reports with others, but those users will not be able to change the report in any way. So as you can see, once I clicked on the .csv export, it's down below downloaded a copy that I can then go and share. Depending on my settings and what I have open, I can then go and use that report for other people. The potential of having a .csv file will be very useful to share within emails and other correspondences, especially in customer matters. The newest addition to this is enabling access via API to a report. By enabling this, users can obtain their own unique key for a custom report. Enabling access via the API will check that off and give you that key. So what users would get out of using this is that the security has been added to ensure each employee has a unique key, even if they are not the owner of the report. If you want to make sure no one gains access to the report no longer, then that's easy. Users may disable the key at any time, granting no access to the report. So we can then go and revoke. You may see this as a benefit in instances where a report can be shared with someone who does not have access to business, so you may want to enable it for that reason. Overall, creating reports in business leaves the user with a lot of creativity and design layout to get the best results that they need. From choosing a dataset to setting who is able to view the report, business delivers all that to you.